Good morning everyone and happy Friday. I hope you're ready for our last maths lesson of the week. Let's start by looking at all of the numbers to 20. First we'll look at numbers to 10 and then I'll show you numbers to 20. As soon as you see the number, say what you can see. Off we go. 1, 8, 4, 7, 3, 10, 6, 2, 0, 9, 5. Okay, let's go to 20. 15, 17, 13, 20, 16, 14, 18, 11, 19, 12. If you need to practice some of those numbers again, just rewind and have another go. Oh, I can see a speech bubble. The speech bubble says, guess which number I am hiding. Which number is hiding behind the alien? Let's check by saying the numbers that we can see. 1, 2, 3, beep, 5. Which number is under here? Number 4. Let's check. Yay! And check the number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Let's do the next one. Okay, which number is he hiding here? Say the numbers you can see with me. 6, 7, beep, 9, 10. Which number is one more than 7? 6, 7, 9, 10. Let's check to see if you're right. Well done if you said number 8. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, he's back. He's hiding another number. This time it's a teen number. What number is this at the start? 11. Okay, off we go. 11, 12, 13, beep, 15. Which number is one more than 13? 11, 12, 13, 15. Let's check to see if you're right. It's 14. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, he's back again. Let's see which number he's hiding here. Starting with 14, your number of the week from last week. 14, 15, 17, 18. Which number is the alien hiding? 14, 15, 17, 18. Let's check. Well done if you said 16. Let's check that it's right. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. If you'd like to practice playing this game a little bit more, ask your grown-ups to write down a series of numbers and then you can design an alien to put over the top of one of the numbers and then you need to guess which number is hidden. You might decide to play this now or you can carry on watching the video and play this game later on. Let's find out what our next challenge is. Look at our learning objective for today then. So we're going to be learning how to identify 2D and 3D shapes. Our steps to success are to look at the shape, think about what it could be, say the name of the shape and then check it. Some of the key words we're going to be using today are shape, 2D, 3D, properties and sides. Let's have a look at our first shape activity. Okay, I've been waiting all week to share this with you. Now, I thought we could do some magic together. Lots of you know that my name is Miss Lebesque. Lots of you know that my favourite animal is an elephant. But what lots of you don't know is that in RLB, we often do magic tricks. And one of our favourite magic tricks to do in RLB is to turn 2D shapes, which are flat, into 3D shapes, which are fat. So, shall we have a go together at turning this 2D shape, this circle, into a 3D shape? Now, I've got a bag here. It's an empty bag. There's nothing in there. And we're going to have to work together to say the magic words to turn this shape into a 3D shape. So I'm going to put the 2D shape. What's the name of this shape? It's a circle. I'm going to put the circle into the bag. And now I need you to say some magic words with me. So we're going to say, abracadabra, shalaka, shape. And when we say it all together, hopefully this 2D shape will have turned into a 3D shape. I'm going to keep the bag here so you know I'm not cheating. Let's say it all together. Abracadabra, shalaka, shape. Okay, now it was a circle before, and when that circle gets blown up like this, like a balloon, what 3D shape will it turn into? It was a circle which was flat, and we've blown it up, and it's going to turn into a 3D shape. Let's check to find out which shape comes out. Are you ready? It's a sphere. It's a sphere, so the circle turned into a 3D sphere. Look, it rolls in my hands. It's not got any corners. It rolls in my hand. It's one curved edge all the way around. So we know that the circle turned into a sphere. Shall we do another one? Okay, I have got a square. A square has how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. The square has 4 sides. Can you count them? Okay, now we're going to do the same magic trick and we're going to see if it will turn this square into a 3D shape. Which 3D shape will it turn into if this square gets blown up so that it's 3D? Let's check the bag's empty. Nothing in there, nothing falling out. Okay, so let's put our 2D shape into the shape bag. Say our magic words. Abracadabra, shalaka, shape. I heard something jingle. It's worked. Do you know what shape's going to come out of here? It was a 2D square. Shake the bag. And now it's a 3D shape. What's this 3D shape called? It's got squares all over it. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares on this 3D shape. Do you know what it's called? It's a cube. So the square turned into a cube. Good shape magic. Shall we try another one? Okay, ready for the next one. I have got a 2D shape here. What's this 2D shape called? Let's count how many sides it's got. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's got 4 sides. 2 are longer and 2 are shorter. Do you know the name of this shape? It's a rectangle. Okay, what will happen when we put the 2D rectangle into our shape bag? And say the magic words. Abracadabra, shalaka, shape. Oh, nothing happened. It's still a rectangle. Were you joining in with me? Let's try it again. Check it's empty, nothing in there. Okay, make sure you join in with me as we say the magic words. Abracadabra, shalaka, shape. I heard it that time. There's something in here. And it's 3D. Are you ready? See what comes out. Ooh, it's very similar to my cube. Only this time it hasn't just got squares, it does have two. It's got one here and one here, but it's also got 4 rectangles, just like the 2D shape we put in. What's this called then? It's got 2 squares either end, and then it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 rectangles. It's a cuboid. So here's our cube, and here is our cuboid. Excellent. So the rectangle, when we turned it into a 3D shape, turned into a cuboid. What great maths this morning. Magic maths, should I say. Keep it secret that we've just done some magic tricks. We don't want everybody to know that we're magicians in reception, so keep it quiet. So the activity that I'd like you to go off and do today is to create your very own shape monsters like I have here. You can see that I've made 5 shape monsters. A circle, a square, a triangle, a rectangle, and a pentagon. The shapes have the same shape face as they do their mouth. And the reason for this is that once you've made your shape monsters, you could ask your grown-ups to cut out lots of little shapes for you, which you then have to organise into the right shape monster. So here, for example, I've got a triangle, and I can check by counting the sides. 1, 2, 3. So then I need to find my shape monster triangle and feed it into its mouth. And then I can do another one. Here I've got a circle, so I need to match it up to the correct 2D shape and feed it into the shape monster's mouth. I really enjoyed making my shape monsters, but you could make them differently if you wanted to. All I used for mine was a piece of card. You might choose to make yours out of cereal boxes so it's a bit thicker, or you could even cut and stick different materials onto their faces to decorate them. However you'd like to do it is absolutely fine, but just make sure that you're trying really hard to feed the 2D shapes into the correct shape monster's mouth. Whilst you're doing this, it's really important to talk about the shapes that you've found. So say the shape that you can see on the shape monster. Say the shape that you're trying to feed. Make sure you're using lots of language to do with shape. I can't wait to see your pictures of your shape monsters. Good luck, everyone. Here are the different chili challenges that you can choose from. Chili 1 is to make your own shape monsters and sort the shapes to the right monster. Chili 2 is to make your own shape monsters and sort the shapes whilst naming them. And Chili 3 is to make your own shape monsters and sort the shapes whilst naming them and talk about their properties. So justifying how you know that that's a triangle and you're putting it into the triangle shape monster. Good luck, have fun, and I cannot wait to see how you get on. See you all next week. Bye.